Now, it was definitely a busy week and we had a hard time picking the Intense 5, but let's go see what we got. Is that really the lineup posting? Cardi B, DMX? No, so while the lineup looks hot, the website you're being directed to doesn't even exist. So there's a possibility that nothing no go so. But we'll keep you in the know.
Once again, dancehall acts are being blamed for huge crowds at overseas venues during the pandemic. If the people turn up and COVID prevention measures are not in place, what should they do? The only thing we want to see is our artists make sure so them take care of themselves. Mask up, especially if you're going to take pictures after.
Yep. Spice. No, sir, dash it power without warning, girl. The queen of the dancehall released pics and videos of her new man while they vacationed in Mexico for his birthday. She look happy though.
Spice! My girl! Yeah, drown me out for catch somebody for next year, so she happy? Me want happy so too.
No, me want say, I'm glad you see God.
I'm glad you see God. Spice, girl. Spice. You're doing it.
I'm happy, yo.
I'm so happy
right
for
now,
her.
Spice have everybody on their feelings. Spice have everybody want to settle down.
Spice make a tweet and she say, all who not have man for 2021 are bats.
You're flying? Right now, my eyelash, they might itch up on me. Stress out.
Stress right out. Girl, you're doing the thing, girl. Yeah. Y'all look so happy, so cute. Wish you guys all the best. Killer confirmed earlier this week that he's set to release his latest album, King of Kingston, next year, 18 years after his last album, Ghetto Dictionary. Executive producer is none other than Junior Gong. Can't wait.
Yeah.
Excited? I'm excited.
Yeah. And finally holding the spot this week. What is Pesheng Weng Weng?
Pesheng Weng 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 Weng. Pesheng Weng Weng Weng.
Yeah, I really need to know, right?
Same.
So everywhere you go now, it's the latest thing you hear. So, our research uncovered an artist by the name of Zintos. From you get a buzz on social media, you're good. Pesheng Weng Weng.
Pesheng Weng Weng.
So does that mean like nay, it's a vibe, it's a buzz, like how everybody have this, it's a buzz, it's a vibe, kind of vibe?
I just see people using it in different contexts. That's why I'm so confused as to what it is. Like so random.
Somebody messaged me and says I shouldn't say it's like it's have a vibe. I should have just said Pesheng Weng Weng. And I was like, what?
Alright. We're gonna learn it and come back.
But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. We are sure lots more will happen next week. Until then, check our IG page for the latest in entertainment and I look back at stories we aired.